brand based on strength. In such a vigorous era, bustling and hustling, the extraordinary history of entrepreneurship has paved the way for the future created by China. In 1996, by seizing the great opportunity of the rapid growth of the country, as well as the preemptive geographical superiorities of Zhejiang, and with the painstaking efforts of 20 years, Xuelong successfully finished its grand upgrading. Presently, Xuelong has a total building area of 150,000 square meters, with 2 production bases in Ningbo and Changchun. It is the commercial vehicle cooling fan assembly manufacturer with the largest scale in China, with a market share ranking top domestically. The chairman of the board of directors was rated as the second China economic figure. 100 outstanding industry innovation figures in China, the national outstanding private technology entrepreneurs, and the pioneers of the Chinese private enterprise era. He has been cordially received by the leaders of the central government, and the leaders of the central ministries have repeatedly visited the Xuelong for guidance. Leaders from central ministers and commissions have also visited Xuelong for several times. Such achievements are not only the great favor by the times, but also the outcomes of Xuelong Group in adhering to the bottom line of integrity and good faith, as well as the compliance of market operation rules. The group has been successively awarded honors such as Famous Product in China, the first batch of national high-tech enterprise, and renowned brand in China. Facing the upcoming Industrial Revolution 4.0, Xuelong Group has been vigorously advancing among new opportunities and new challenges, and seeking for innovation-based great leap forward development with balanced stability. From the manufacture of the first fan to the establishment of the group, Xuelong went through the rough years from participating in coordinated development with customers to fully independent innovation-based design and leading the trends for technological development within the industry. Xuelong masters the industry-leading commercial vehicle cooling fan assembling performance simulation technology and has capabilities in structural analysis, fluid analysis, and mode flow analysis to optimize the product structure, performance, mode structure, and production process, improve product reliability and advancement, and increase product life. Adhering to the development ideology of ingenuity foremost and innovation-based, Xuelong has joined hands with renowned colleges, universities, and scientific research institutions, such as South China University of Technology and Zhejiang University, and established R&D platforms, such as Provincial Postdoctoral Workstation, Provincial Enterprise Research Institute, Provincial High-Tech Enterprise Research and Development Center, and Academician Workstation. The chairman of the company served as the deputy director of the Expert Technical Committee under the National Internal Combustion Engine Standardization Technical Committee. The group has also presided over the formulation of over 10 national industrial standards and group standards of internal combustion engine cooling fans, participated in the formulation of over 40 national standards, industrial standards, and obtained over 100 patents at home and abroad. Several R&D projects of the group have been included in the National Torch Program, National Top 15 Key Scientific and Technological Projects, National Innovation Fund, etc. The products have been awarded honors such as National Key New Products and Zhejiang Science and Technology Progress Award, and Pioneer Products in Zhejiang. Relying on the advanced intelligent manufacturing systems, The group has been leading in the intelligent upgrading of the commercial vehicle cooling fan manufacturing industry, and it has established a highly intensive, intelligent, and coordinated whole industrial chain management system and worked out a successful development path for the integration of the vertical ecological value chain. Presently, Xuelong has been equipped with a modified plastic intelligent production and delivery system, integrating automatic batching, storage, and transportation. It also has various precision injection molding equipment with the molded cladding pressure of 110 tons to 3,300 tons, an injection volume of 160 grams to 28,000 grams. As well as various large-scale CNC precision blowing molding equipment with a blow molding capacity 50 liters to 160 liters. The group has a number of imported intelligent clutch processing lines. With functions such as multi-process automatic processing, online detection, automatic transmission, and automatic cleaning. Meanwhile, it is equipped with the silicon oil clutch and electrically controlled silicon oil clutch intelligent assembly line integrating functions of detection, error prevention, traceability, and statistics. The group has also the ability to manufacture precision molds for plastic molds, die casting molds, and stamping molds. Product is the lifeline of the enterprise, and quality is the lifeline of the product. Xuelong is committed to the production featuring zero-defect products. It has passed the IATF 16949 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, and ISO 18000 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification. The experimental center of the group has passed ISO IEC 17025 certification and has established laboratories such as Cooling Fan Performance Laboratory, Silicon Oil Clutch and Electronically Controlled Clutch Laboratory, Material Physical and Chemical Testing Laboratory, and Product Reliability Testing Laboratory to provide a strong guarantee for technology research and development and product quality. Over the years, with the broader visions and a more comprehensive coverage, Xuelong Group has established a clean, low-carbon, safe, and effective industrial manufacturing system and provided the green channel for the future of the national automobile industry of China. Presently, Xuelong has established the influential power in the world with its own efforts and wisdoms. The products mainly include cooling fan assembly, silicon oil clutch fan assembly, electrically controlled silicon oil clutch fan assembly, engine intake pipe series, air conditioning air duct series, expansion tank series, etc. The company has over 200 major customers and has established a stable partnership with auto OEMs such as FAW, Dongfeng, Weichai Foton, SINOTRUK, Shaanxi Automobile, engine OEMs such as Weichai, Yuchai, Yuchai, Yunnei Power, as well as renowned automobile enterprises at home and abroad, such as Caterpillar, Volvo, and Doosan. The group has always been concerned about the customers, with high-quality products and excellent services. It has been awarded multiple honors such as the Quality Contribution Award, Quality Award, and Zero Quality Defect Award. Xuelong is committed to creating harmonious, lively, enterprising, and evolutionary corporate culture atmosphere and concentrating the power of corporate brands. In recent years, cultural and sports organizations such as the Xuelong Chorus, Xuelong Basketball Team, and Xuelong Union have greatly enriched the spare time life of the employees and promoted the cultural brand of the group. With a philosophy of being indebted and contributive to the society, the group regards the benefit of mankind as an indispensable social responsibility and has established an excellent corporate image. Over the years, the company has donated over RMB 40 million in cash and materials and has actively shouldered its social responsibilities in assisting the students, the poor, and the disabled. Each generation has its own responsibilities and undertakings, and the new era calls for new actions. With the spirit of never slackening the efforts and marching forward with indomitable will, Xuelong will deeply root itself in the new future development superiorities, unswervingly follow the path of high-quality development, create an international brand, and become an industry giant as the pioneer of the world. It's time to take off. Xuelong.